Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to contact Pokerstars if you're having any difficulties using their either computer app or mobile software. So guys, I'm on the computer app on Mac, on the Pokerstars app, and I am having a lot of difficulty actually trying to find any help. You can't even speak to a live chat or contact a phone number. It's really hard to even find an email address. So what you actually have to do is go down to Google Chrome and find their contact information. I had to type in Pokerstars contact email support, and it gives you this email right here, support@pokerstars.uk, since I'm in the UK. If you're not in the UK, I would advise typing this keyword phrase into Google, and it should come up either a support@pokerstars.com or .se or wherever you're actually located for your specific country. From there, I've gone into one of the first articles, and it's saying, what have I experienced any difficulties? Down here, what have I experienced any difficulties? Feel free to contact support@pokerstars.uk at any time. We're here to help. From looking at forums and people answering this question as well, it seems like Pokerstars try to reply as fast as possible through email. Sometimes may take a few days, sometimes may take a week, but they will get back to you at some point. Unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be any live chat options, or if you want to phone call them directly, you have to be a high roller or a high paying customer. So anyway guys, hopefully this has cleared things up. If the video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks.